Welcome to Alfra English Channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own. What type of photos do you like taking?
I often experiment with my camera and mobile phone camera, and that's why I like to take a wide range of photos that include nature, people, gift items, sky, river, flower, and so on. However, I am inclined to take photos of people. Some of the best photos that I took were taken in unknown places where people posed for my camera. Their genuine smile, sad expression, and sometimes bewilderment make the photograph worth cherishing.
You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.